It's time to go, and Shady Maple is ready to get you there. You'll be camping in style each time you take this fifth wheel out to the campground. The dual opposing slides in the main living area create an open floor plan, and the kitchen island here will provide more counter space to prep meals. You will love the theater seat directly across from the entertainment center and fireplace. The full bath includes a shower with a seat, a skylight, plus a Maxxair ventilation fan to keep everything fresh. The front private bedroom may feel more like a resort with its king bed slide out, large wardrobe and shirt closet, plus a dresser to keep your clothes tidy. And did we mention this fifth wheel has 2 power awnings for maximum protection against the elements and tons of exterior storage for all your gear. The interior offers a one-touch on control panel with WeRV app control for lights, awning, slides, water heater and more, and the Air 360 Plus omnidirectional antenna with Wi-Fi prep lets you work while away from home if needed. Come see us today or visit us online at shadymaplerv.com.